AB plus B square.
Aha. If there is any doubt, please tell me. Divyasu, can you hear me? Divyasri?
B X. So B minus X into plus 3.
শুনতে পাচ্ছ? ছেলেটা দেখতে পাচ্ছি তো? ঠিক আছে, ঠিক। আচ্ছা ওদের লেখাটা কোথায় দেখতে পাবো? ডান দিকে চ্যাট করবে তো? তুমি ইয়েস স্যার বললে তো? আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, ঠিক আছে। ওরা বলুক, ঠিক আছে। হ্যাঁ দেখো, চ্যাটটা শেয়ার করতে চ্যাটটা পাচ্ছি না। হ্যাঁ, ঠিক আছে। বোর্ডটা পেন্ট একটু দিয়ে দেখুন, যদি পারি একটু হেল্প করবি। I'm requesting to all of you, please wait for a few 1 or 2 minutes or 30 seconds to get ready. Hello. Okay, I'm telling you. Students, please listen to carefully. Okay. Thank you very much for asking questions. Acha, see carefully. Sir, how the log term is coming when we derive, right? You see this. When you do the binary search, actually for solving that problem, probably you can understand that problem, but how the log term is coming. Do the binary search means actually every time, suppose this is the array, Suppose this is the array, and always you are doing, suppose this is L value and this is R value. Always you have to go to the middle and you have to take a decision whether you will go to the right hand side or you will go to the left hand side. If your searching element is on the right hand side, that means this left sublist will be discarded for your next searching. That means only this will be remaining for your next search. That means if this array is containing 1024 elements, if the array containing 1024 elements, then after first search, that means whether your searching element is on the middle or not, that means emit is equal to item which you want to search. If emit is equal to item, then you are done. If it is not, then you have to search whether this is greater than this one. If this is greater than this, that means it is on the right hand side. That means you have to search on the right sublist. Then after the second step, your number of searching element will be 512. And third search, your number of searching element will be similar with 256. In this way, it is 128, and this way you can go to 1. So how many steps you are running? It is basically 2 power 10. This is basically 2 power 10. So, and 2 power 10 means every time you are dividing by 2. You see this. The how many times you are dividing by 2 till you are getting a single number. That is 10 steps. So what is this one? 2 power 10. Sorry, 2 power 10 is less than equal to 1024. That means what is 10? 10 is less than equal to log 1024 base 2. That means if this value is n, then this will be replaced by n, log n base 2. Clear? So that means at most log n base 2 times you have to search, then you will get either the element, or you can declare the search is unsuccessful, no element will be there. Right? After 11th step, you can say, because after 10 steps, you'll reach to 1, and again one searching will be there. That means 11th step. Then you can declare that the number is not there. The item is not there in this sorted array. Now it is clear. Can you tell me, is it clear to you? I want response from your side. Any more doubt, please write here. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. I am not perfectly visible. Okay, you see this. Probably I am on the back of the light. Now you can see me, right? Yes. Okay. If there is any doubt, please tell me. Uh, you see this clearly? Now, is it clear? Possibly now it is clear. Now it is clear. You see this. Yes, R is the highest index value of the sorted array. R is the highest index value of the sorted array. Any more doubts? I'm here. No, no, charger, charger. Jaldi, jaldi, jaldi. Fast, fast. I'm telling you, insertion time is 1. When the list is unsorted, then always you can insert the element at the last. Always you can insert the unsorted. If the array is unsorted, then no matter where you want to insert the elements. So Rudibray, I'm telling you, then at the last position you can insert. That will take order quantile. Is clear? Because no shifting will be needed for the existing array elements, right? Is it clear, Sauradeep? Okay. Any question? Uh, oh, I'm very much happy to do the live chat with you. Asking more questions. If you ask more questions, then I'll be more happy. Okay. And the next class will be more interesting. I will discuss with another beautiful problem how the algorithm evaluation will be coming for a given problem. It's very interesting. Please listen carefully for the next class, and I will definitely come to the live chat if you have any questions. Okay. Any more questions, please? It may happen sometime. I don't know, as it is an online class. You are entering into the system and you are not listening at all. Please don't do this. I'm requesting to all of you. Try to understand clearly. If you are, it is not understandable, ask me any question, right? But don't cheat yourself. Please, I'm requesting, don't cheat yourself. At least you will, from one lecture, at least you can learn 10% of this whole lecture. If it is known to you, then it is okay, nice. But it is not known to you, please try to listen. At least logical thinking will be developed, right? Okay. Sir, explain it once again how the order of log came. I've already told. You see, again, two questions. Wait. So the assignment given in Google Classroom, it is showing that permission is required. I don't know why it is showing permission is required. Uh, if you need once again how the order of login coming. You see, uh, I think you understand that very given problem. Now you see here in this array. Suppose this array is given. What you are doing in the binary search? Always go to the middle element. And if it is not there, if it is not equal to the middle element, searching element is not equal to the middle element stored in the array, then either you will go to the left hand side or you will go to the right hand side, because it is a sorted array. If you go to the right hand side, then your low value will be updated to mid plus one. All of you are knowing about this. Then this sublist will be discarded, and that means only this will be coming. So you see this. If it is number of element is 1024, then in the second step you have to search for your searching element for stored 512 elements, and again in the next step it is 256, again 208. You see this. In this way, every time you are dividing by a whole sublist, dividing by 2, ultimately you will reach to 1. And if the searching item is there in somewhere, then it is fine. But at most, if you if the searching element is not there at all, then you have to go to the very last position. This is the very last position. That means you will go to the, you have to reach to 1. In how many steps you reach 1? From 1024, only 10 steps. You see this. This is 10. 10 steps. 2 power 10 is equal to 1024. Every time 2 power 10 divided by 2, 2 power 9. 2 power 9 divided by 2, 2 power 8. Then you will get 1. Right? So what is this one? Actually, this is 2 power 10 is, why I am writing less than equal to? Because if you are getting the item in the middle, then the searching time is much less than 10, right? If you are not getting the searching element, then you have to go to then equality occurs. Then 2 power 10 equal to n. Then that means n is basically 10 is equal to log n base 2. It is clear? Saurabh Singh Rajput, where is the link of previous theory class? I don't know. This is a design thinking class. This is the first class of design thinking and innovation. So there was no previous class, right? And then in the next week, second class will be coming, and then this class will be the previous class. This question is irrelevant. Think for that. Somewhere you are doing mistake. Saurabh Singh Rajput. Shiv Kumar, yes, you got it. Okay. Thank you. Any more questions? And you understood the problem, why this problem is coming. Initially, the first problem was discovered, that was the time taken, that was n, and we have to thought about the what is empathize. Empathize is basically you have to think any product. Algorithm is also a product. The any product as the unfinished product. So where is the goodness of that product is there? If the time can be improved, that's why this binary search technique is coming to solve this very problem by order of log n time. Right? This is much improvement. That means that's why there are 4 pages: empathize, analyze the problem, whether it can be done. Definitely it can be done, because the arrays given you is the sorted one. So it can be done. I don't know in which way this can be done. That I have discussed in the last 8 minutes. Okay, in this lecture. Uh, Is it okay? I think there is no more questions. It is clear to everybody. Take care of yourself. Don't go outside your house. Follow the rule of the government. You have to follow for our society, and we are following definitely. Okay. I think no more questions. Bye. And give the IMCRP online test and do the assignment within 2 days. Okay. And the assignment is very nice. You can write the algorithm in terms of C code, right? In terms of C code, the main body of the C code is needed. You don't have to write hash include like this hash include. Okay, just write the main body of the where the improvement of the algorithm is coming and the previous one, right? Okay, bye. Live streaming. I'm shutting down the live streaming. Okay, thank you.